Canva Docs, Canva Docs to Deck? Here's a beginner-friendly guide, what it is, how to start, and some tips for working smoothly assume you're brand new to it. What is Canva Docs? Canva Docs is part of Canva, but instead of just graphic design or presentations, it lets you build visual documents that mix text, images, charts, videos, and more. It's designed for flexibility. You can use built-in templates, reports, proposals, lesson plans, newsletters, etc., or start from a blank document. Unlike plain text editors, like a basic word processor, Canva Docs emphasizes design and visuals so your documents can look more like visually engaging newsletters, reports, or media-rich documents rather than plain essays. How to get started step by step. 1. Open Canva and start a doc. Log into Canva, on web or app, then click Document/Docs to create a new document. You can pick a template from many pre-made options or choose a blank doc if you want full control. 2. Add and edit content. Enter your text as usual. For visual richness, you can drag in images, charts, videos, graphics from Canva's media library. To add content quickly, you can use magic commands, e.g. typing / to bring up options, to insert images, tables, embeds, and more. Use features like tables/charts for data, or embed content, e.g. other Canva designs, videos, inside the doc if you like. 3. Use AI-powered helpers if you want. Canva Docs includes an AI writing assistant called Magic Write. You can prompt it to generate draft text, outlines, blog posts, meeting notes, etc., then edit/refine it yourself. 4. Collaborate and share. If you're working with others, you can share the doc, collaborate in real time, leave comments, and work together. Great for group projects, team reports, or shared plans. You can export your doc, e.g. as a PDF, when you finish, or share a link directly. 5. Convert into other formats, optional. If you want to turn your document into a presentation, there's a Docs rightward arrow presentation/deck conversion feature, sometimes called Docs to Decks. Handy if you want to repurpose a text-heavy doc into slides. What Canva Docs is great for, and what to watch out for. Strength/best use cases. Great if you want visually appealing documents, not just plain text, but documents with images, charts, videos, design elements, etc. Easy if you're not a design expert. Canva's drag and drop, templates, and media library make it approachable even for non-designers. Good for collaboration, sharing, editing with others, commenting, real-time teamwork. Useful if you want flexibility and versatility. A doc, board, plan, or presentation all in one place, or quickly convert between formats. Handy when you want to mix media types, text plus images plus videos plus graphics plus data visualization. Limitations / what to keep in mind. Unlike traditional word processors, page formatting is simplified. Canva Docs doesn't treat content as pages in the same way. Layout options like advanced margin control or complex multi-column formatting may be limited, since Canva emphasizes visual flow over strict page layout. If you need very formal documents, e.g. academic papers, print-ready brochures, documents needing strict page breaks / page numbers / headers and footers, Canva Docs might feel restrictive. Because it's visually oriented, it might take a bit longer to design / layout properly, vs just typing. Some tips to use Canva Docs efficiently. Beginner-friendly. Start with a template, helpful especially if you're not confident with layout or design. Use the media and graphics library. Search for free stock photos, icons, charts, and use them to make your document more engaging. Try Magic Write when stuck. Good for first drafts, brainstorming, or generating ideas fast. Then edit manually. If working with others, share and collaborate instead of trying to build it all yourself. Docs is built for teamwork. If you think you'll need presentations or prints, try the Docs to Decks feature. It can save you time converting a doc to slides. Keep expectations realistic. Canva Docs excels for visual, flexible docs, but if you need formal document structure, e.g. strict page layout, academic formatting, you might need a standard word processor. We will walk you through step by step how to create a simple document in Canva Docs, text plus image plus chart, later.